Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome for another video. It's your boy KenX here for another video, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about how to create pillows. Right now it's 2 a.m. I think, 2 a.m. in the morning, and the best thing to do is create pillows, right? Everyone is tired and this is a really fun thing to do, so instead of going to the bed and sleep, I'm gonna
create pillows for you guys in Blender because I'm a YouTuber and that's what I do, right?
So let's go to Blender. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to give a like. I have seen that I think is 98% of you guys are not subscribed, and please help me out helping you out. Alright guys, I'm helping you out putting these videos on YouTube and showing you a lot of cool stuff to do, and for beginners and advanced users of this platform. So please help me out, subscribe the channel. It's easy, you just need to scroll down and in the red button click and subscribe the channel. Easy as that. It's not anything super hard to do, alright guys? And if you liked the video, don't forget to give a like too, alright guys? And with no further ado, let's go to Blender. Alright guys, we are here in this amazing platform, this amazing program, Blender.
And it looks like I'm doing like a merchandising or something for Blender, but no, I'm not, guys, sorry. And
let's continue with the tutorial. So first thing that we're gonna do is create here a cube. So let's click Shift A in Mesh, let's add a cube. Alright, with the S and Z, we're gonna scale this like 0.02. Alright, just to give a little bit of thickness right here. And let's go to edit mode by pressing Tab. And right now let's just Ctrl R to add a loop cut. And let me add here a loop cut, and this box will appear for you guys. This is where we're gonna change the number of cuts that we want. So let's just change this to 70. Alright, and let's do the same to this side over here, 70. Alright, and it's done. Right now we don't have a pillow, but right now we have everything that we need to create this pillow. So let's go over here to our simulations, and over here in clothes, just click and add a cloth simulation to this object. Right now, if I click enter, this object will fall, so we don't need the gravity. So let's just bring the gravity to something like 0. Alright, and now we need something to give this object the form of a pillow. So for that, we're gonna click Shift A, and over here in the force fields, let's just click in this force field over here. Right now we're gonna use this force field, and just because it's super easy and super fast to create pillows with these techniques, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how to create these pillows. Like in 2 minutes you can create every pillow that you need to create for your projects, to add to your projects or something like that. Alright, so here in the strength, now we need just to bring this to something like 1000, and I think that we are done. It's easy as that, guys. So basically right now with this force will just inflate our object and create the pillow form that we are looking for, right guys? So let's go and just press play. When we press play, we're gonna use the frame that we think that is the better one for our pillow. So basically when we click here to play, the simulation will start, and every single frame will be different from the other. So just be aware of that, and when you see a frame that is looking good, your pillow, and if you like the form that pillow is looking in that frame, don't forget to just pause it and select that frame. Just easy as that. So right now let's just play and let's see the animation. Alright guys, I have stopped here in 115 frame, alright, because I think this frame is looking pretty good as a pillow, so I'm gonna use this frame just like that, easy as that. So first thing that we're gonna do right now is just going to our modifier properties and apply our clothes modifier. So just apply it, and Right now we're gonna go into edit mode by pressing tab and just press 3 to change for face selection, and just select every single face in the middle of our object. For that you just need to, while pressing Alt, just click in that face and the program will select every single face that you need, just like that, easy as that. Alright, so now we just need to extrude a little bit this part, so let's just click Alt E and extrude along normals. Why we can't extrude just clicking E? Because this will extrude just in one way, and we have a lot of different normals in these faces, so every single face has a different normal. So let's just extrude face along normals, easy as that. And now let's put a number of 0.02. Alright, if you have hard ops, you just need to click and sharpen the object, and now you will have your pillow looking pretty good. If you don't have hard ops, you can just click and just shade smooth and go over here in the normals, activate auto smooths, and then you can by default I think using 30, but I like to use 60. So, and now we can delete this force field, we don't need it anymore. And if you want more details to your object or to your pillow, we can go to the sculpting mode. Let's switch to sculpting modes. Alright, you can see that something went wrong right here because we don't have a uniform scale. You can see here by pressing N that we don't have the same scale in all axes. So for that, let's just select our object, Ctrl A, and apply scale. Right now I think this is looking pretty good. Location is okay, rotation is okay, and scale is okay. Let's go to our sculpting. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do, and if you want, you can create that with the pen tablet. It's better, so you have more control. Right now we have here our clothes. So this is the cloth brush, and just like that we will just bring this something like that, and just play around a little bit just to have some different areas around your pillow, and just like that you have a real good looking pillow. Alright, it's looking pretty good and pretty realistic, right? So that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you liked the tutorial, and I hope you learned something new, like I don't know, the sculpting brush that we used, the force field, the cloud simulation if you haven't used anything like a cloud in Blender or something like that. So basically today we have just used some different stuff that we haven't used in any tutorials. I think that yes, force fields, I think that I haven't done any tutorial about that, but if you want me to do something like that, don't forget to say it in the comment section. I hope you like it, I hope you learned something new. And if you haven't, I hope you have learned a better workflow to create pillows or to use the cloud simulation. And for that, don't forget to subscribe the channel, to give a like. It's easy, guys. You just need to click in the subscribe button and you are subscribed. You don't need to do anything more. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you in the next time. Bye.